and I have
Tourette's.
You'll see me tick. If you have ticks too, I'm just like you.
And what are you doing today?
Today I'm playing my PlayStation 4. As you see, it's Need for Speed Heat. Anyways, I'm gonna check something. 7 hours? I swear I was on 6. No.
Okay.
And the trophy here is a bronze and it's welcome to Palm City. Pick your first ride. I got that on the 4th to the 9th, 2012 at 10:09. Don't forget when my channel is fully ready to like, subscribe and hit the notifications. Now let's get on to the video. Now, today I'm going to use my steering wheel and this is going to have to be the gear stick.
Yeah.
Because my other one broke and I'm still very new to YouTube. This is like my second video. Do you want to tell them what your name is?
My name is Michaela.
Yep. And as you see,
I am filming.
Sure. No.
You right?
Yep, I'm fine. That's better. Gonna set that up. Okay, let's go to. And also, as you see, I'm signed into the PlayStation Network. Speaking of that,
Butter Evans. Oh.
I'm gonna change my profile image. I think it's this one.
And what's your favorite game that you have on your Sorry, I sneezed. What's your favorite game that you have?
My favorite is I have about I have 7. Sniper Elite 4, Assassin's Creed IV, Black Flag, The Walking Dead, the final season, Red Dead Redemption 2, Need for Speed Heat, and
Fortnite?
Yep, Fortnite, X13, and Crew 2.
Okay, so that's a couple more. 7, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I didn't count.
Okay, come on. Edit it Pro. I think that's it.
Okay, now you guys can see, because I'm zooming in. See what he's doing.
Come on.
Oh.
Avatar. Wait, no, this one. That's
Profile picture. Okay.
Avatar. That one.
Let's talk. What's your favorite character out of Star Wars?
Iden Versio.
Oh, wow. Mine's Baby Yoda. There. And I'm wearing Baby Yoda.
Okay. Let's see if it's here.
Okay, but one. Sorry, I'm shaking a lot because I'm not a very good filmer. But okay, yeah.
No. Here, no. Nah. 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 No. No. Oh, wait. Military combat. That's the one. your profile will look like this. Yes, that's just right. Okay, now let's get to the game. I'm not gonna play on 9 just yet. Actually, let's see what that does. I want to go on 9 for a little bit. I just don't know what that will do.
Okay.
If we don't get enough space on it, we'll make
A part
however
2.
much parts that we have to make. If that will be okay with you guys.
Mhm.
There's the clock.
Sorry about the background noises. It's just
Our dog Freddy.
yeah. And you should know him from our family channel.
Yeah,
When we
which
post.
you haven't seen yet, which we
Because we haven't
still gonna
posted.
make,
Mhm. Oh, black
and
screen.
which we're still working on.
Yeah.
Ooh. Now I think I know what online does. Now I know what online
Mm.
does. Wait, hang on. Exit to lobby. Yes, I'm very sure about that. Dial 911, what's your emergency?
What are you trying to do, Brooklyn?
Come on.
What's
I'm
this
gonna
game
go-
called?
Need for Speed Heat.
Okay. So it's a car racing game.
Car game, yeah. Dial 911, what's your emergency again?
What are you doing? I just
That used to be my old car, but now I have a different one.
Oh, amazing. Sorry about the wait. It's just loading.
Yeah, this time I'm not online. Because now I know what that does. Which I
Let's
don't
see.
even know.
There's literally a dinosaur robot thingy next to me. And
It's
it's
a toy, don't.
I won't break it. It's just looking at me. Broken luck.
I know.
Do,
Okay, so.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Now, I want it to go. Wait, I want to go to locations. I'm gonna go. I'm going.
Is that where you're going? No?
No,
Okay.
I'm going somewhere to buy a new car. Let's see in here. Anywhere to buy a car? No. No. Gas station? No.
Sorry guys, just the lighting's very bad in here. Yeah. That's why it's so bright. It's actually not like that in real life, but yeah.
Where is it? Where is... I mean, I swear there has to be somewhere. There has to be something.
Guys, we're gonna come back for part 2.